In this video, I will show you step by step how we can download and install Davinci Resolve to your laptop just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have Davinci Resolve installed in my laptop and I'm using Davinci Resolve to edit my videos. So for you, if you want to start using and download and install Davinci Resolve to your laptop, just go to your Google Chrome browser like this, search for DaVinci Resolve. Okay, scroll down and click on the first link over here. Okay, DaVinci Resolve, click on the first link and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Okay, so you just need to wait a few seconds and it's gonna take you to this page, to DaVinci Resolve website. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down and you should see over here DaVinci Resolve free download. Okay, click on free download now. Okay, like this, and they will ask you if you want to download DaVinci Resolve for Mac or for Windows. Okay, so if you want to download DaVinci Resolve for, if you are using Mac, choose this option. Okay, if you are using Windows, choose this option. Okay, and you just need to click on this option, and what you need to do next, as you can see, it will take you to this page. Put your first name, your last name, and your company if you have a company. If you don't have, just leave it like this. Your email, your phone number, choose your country, your state, city, and click over here on select your state. Put your zip code. Okay, then what you will do next, just click on register and download. Okay, and DaVinci Resolve will be download to your laptop. Then you just need to click on it and it will be installed and you can start using it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's how we can download DaVinci Resolve to your laptop. See you in my next video.